Good morning, kids! Today, we will learn all about land transportation.
That's right. Land transportation are the vehicles that travels on land.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep.
And we will look at the pictures of different vehicles and we will learn about their names.
And we will talk about how these vehicles help us to go from one place to another.
Some vehicles are fast, like cars and motorcycles.
And some vehicles are slow, but they all help us travel safely on land.
Are you ready to learn, explore, and have fun?
Great! So let's begin our lesson about land transportation. First, sawpel. Again, tuk-tuk. Again, bicycle. Again, motorcycle. Again, car. Again, police car. Again,
Taxi.
again,
Truck.
again,
Ambulance.
again,
Fire truck.
again,
School bus. Bus.
again,
Train.
again.
Review time!
These are the land transportations.
First, songpil, tuk-tuk, bicycle, motorcycle, police car, school bus, fire truck, train, ambulance.
It's playtime! What land transport is it? Guess the shadow.
What about this? Guess the shadow.
Let's have our activity. A picture of a car,
Popsicle stick,
double-sided tape,
scissors,
and colors. Step 1. We will color the car.
When you're finished, ask an adult to cut your car.
Next one, put the double-sided tape on your popsicle stick, like this one.
Take out a black colored pencil and we will draw on your popsicle stick.
Tape the popsicle stick on your car. Yay! Your car is finished!
Good job, kids! We hope you learned something today. Goodbye!